everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I have my latest box from Misfits Market that just got here a little while ago. And this is another customized box, the same as the last two that we've been getting. What's happening behind me? There's a ruckus. So this is not the Mischief or the Madness box. This is a fully custom box. So what that means is everything in this box I pay a la carte pricing on, which is typically lower than what you would spend if you went to the grocery store for organic produce. And I am gonna start doing that. I really gotta start doing that. And if you missed it, I have a video all about the difference between organic, conventional, and goes in a little bit about GMOs. So if you missed that video, there's a link in the description down below. What is happening back here? Anyway, there's a link to that video in the description down below. Let's get this box open and find out what I ordered. The ice pack is dripping. This was a heavy box, by the way. I didn't bring this in myself. I asked Colin to do it because it was really heavy. That's weird. I think that's a... Let's get the stuff on top out. So I have two more of these artisan loaf breads because they're really good. And I can keep them back in my messy pantry, stacked on top of all the other breads I have back there. Whenever we want some fresh bread, we have it. It's super convenient. It's very good. And it has 3 ingredients: organic unbleached wheat flour, water, and sea salt. That's all that's in here. So guys, if you watched my food label video, and if you missed that, there's a link to it in the description down below. I always talk about the more ingredients are in something, the more likely it's not a clean food. So these have 3 ingredients. One of them is water, another one is sea salt, and the other one is wheat. That's pretty good. We've got some smushed spring mix. See, and this is the problem with the way that they pack these. I don't know why they can't figure out a better method. I mean, I understand that cold air drops to the bottom and hot air rises. I get that. But this is heavy. And when you put that on top of lettuce, you smush it. I mean, I talk about this every time, but I just can't figure out why Misfits can't figure out how to pack these boxes better, because Farmbox Direct does such a great job, and Worthy Flavors does such a great job. Imperfect Foods, a little bit better, but not much. They have started to put some box separators in here, which is nice. And when I can get some more stuff out of this, I'll show you. We got some Partake cookies. These are the soft bake ones. They have a lot of ingredients. Gluten-free flour, non-GMO sunflower oil. Now, it's not expeller pressed, but it does specify non-GMO, so I'm okay with that. Organic fair trade cane sugar. Not the greatest, but, you know, it's a cookie. It's a cookie. Semi-sweet chocolate chips, gluten-free oats, organic light brown sugar, tapioca starch, water, apple juice, fructose, tapioca fiber syrup, baking soda, flaxseed meal, sea salt, vanilla extract, caramelized cane sugar, and rosemary extract. And as we've talked about before, these are the top 8 allergen-free. And again, it's smushed because of the ice pack that they put on top. I don't know why they do that. So 3 cookies, and there are 2 grams of added sugar in 3 cookies. That's really not bad, guys. I have a box of something. Let's see. Some tomatoes. This one feels a little soft. This one feels good, and it is, they both start with the number 9. Product of Mexico. This one's soft. We'll have to use this one right away. We have some avocados, and these look good. And it looks like we have 2 different kinds of avocado. No. One is just green and one is dark. They have the exact same code on them, but I feel like a green avocado is a different variety of avocado. Guys, leave me a comment down below. Isn't a black avocado a different variety from the green avocado? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. That's weird. I did not order a pineapple, and I'm seeing more of that pineapple. Okay, so we have some organic purple baby broccoli, or what I call broccolini. They were out of the regular broccolini that's not purple. This was all they had. I have the noisiest neighbors. Okay, so some organic purple broccolini. They were out of the regular. It tastes the same whether it's purple or green, so I'm good with this. You know, I don't remember ordering 4 avocados either. We're going to have to check this receipt, so stay till the end and we'll figure out what happened here, because I don't think I ordered some of this stuff. Okay, so we have a pineapple, and I'm not really sure why we have a pineapple, because I did not order a pineapple that I can recall. I mean, maybe I did. I'm going to have to look. So please, don't go anywhere. Stay with me. And then we have some spinach. This looks good. It's sandy, and that's okay. Well, you always have to wash spinach. The spinach is raised in a sandy soil. Grown in a sandy soil. Why did I say raised? What is this? Whatever it is, it's pretty smushed. Oh, some very smushed tomatoes. Yeah, look at this box, guys. And the tomatoes were in there. So they're pretty dented. And honestly, I don't remember ordering that many tomatoes. Holy potato. That is a very large gold potato. Have some summer squash right here. And then we have some zucchini. So two summer squash and 2 zucchini. And then we have 2 cucumbers, not to be confused with the zucchini. And then we have some limes. These look pretty good. And fennel. We love fennel. Or I love fennel. I don't know if Colin likes fennel, but he eats it. Another rather large yellow tomato. Why do I keep saying tomato? Another rather large potato. A small russet. Some ginger. You know, I didn't recall ordering ginger, and I almost went back in to make sure I got ginger. I feel like I'm losing it. Some ginger. What? I mean, this is a lot of ginger, so yeah, we're going to have to check that receipt. Some sweet potatoes. Did I order sweet potatoes? Oh my gosh, why don't I remember what I ordered? And then we have some linguine that was at the bottom of the box. We got this last time too, and we tried it. We really do like it. And it's hard to find gluten-free linguine, so I got it again. Some lemons. Some onions, and I really did need onions, so this is good. 4 onions. Another yellow potato. Or no, this is a russet, I think. So what is that? 2 russets? 2 small russets and 4 of the Yukon Gold. Some matcha energy. I don't know exactly what this is, but it sounded interesting. 0 calories, 15 grams of sodium, no added sugar. It's purified water, green tea, matcha, vitamin C. That's all that's in here. So I figured I'd try it. And then see that they are putting the separator in here. Some kale. This looks really nice. And it's the flat leaf kale, not the curly. There's a lot of stuff. Some romaine, and again, these are the smaller romaines. We've been getting these lately, but for a while we were getting these giant romaines, which are about as big as this, but fuller. Now we're getting these little ones, and these are fine too. I really like the big ones. Ew, here's some sad celery. So, yeah, ew. Can you see how yellow that is? Wow. Yeah, this is way past its prime for celery. Celery is the new strawberries. Remember when we used to keep trying to get strawberries from Misfits and we had to give up on it because they would always come all smushed because of the way that they pack? Well, I'm beginning to think celery is the new version of that because every time we get celery, it's kind of beat up. Some broccoli greens. These are awesome, guys. Have you ever tried broccoli greens? So my plan for this is I'm going to make spicy sausage pasta tonight, and I'm going to use this and the broccolini in there. It's going to be awesome. Some scallions. Wow, there's a lot of stuff, guys. And then we have a melon. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Oh, more ginger. Look at that. So we have a watermelon and a cantaloupe melon. And this is pretty awesome because this means spring is here and we're finally getting melons. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay. And then we've got, oh, even more ginger. Oh my goodness. There's ginger everywhere. Another small russet. These are really kind of disappointing size russets. And a lime. And then we've got some green beans. Because Colin has decided that he no longer likes Brussels sprouts. See, he tells me he likes something and I keep getting that thing. And then he decides, I don't like that anymore. I'm not going to, don't keep buying it. So I am going to pull up my receipt and we'll go over this. I still don't know exactly where that pineapple came from. Maybe I ordered it. Could it be? I know I did order corn and they were out of it, so they sent me an email that it was refunded. So the watermelon, the limes, I did order a pineapple. Oh my goodness. Lemons, broccolini, broccoli leaf, and that's this. This is so awesome. Celery, which was kind of sad. Cucumber, we got 2. Zucchini, we got 2. Summer squash, we got 2. 2 of the romaine. 2 of the kale. 1 bunch of spinach. 1 bunch of scallions. 2 of the yellow onions. The organic sweet potatoes, I think we got 3. Russet potatoes, it says 2 to 3 count. I think we got 3 really small ones for 79 cents. So the yellow potatoes, it says 2 to 3. I feel like we did get that. And they were big. The tomatoes, it says 1 to 2. And we got 4. So I feel like they put some extra... Everything is noisy outside right now. Sorry, guys. They put some extra tomatoes in there. The breads, we got 2. The chocolate chip cookies, we got 1. The pasta, we got 1. The green tea was 1, which included 4. And then spring mix. So my total was $70.23. And then I had $30 in credit thanks to some of you guys using my code. And if you want to try Misfits and you haven't ordered from them yet, there's a link in the description down below where you can save off your first order. So definitely look in the description and try that out if you want to give Misfits a try. So my total was $44.73. I feel like for the amount of stuff, and I'm going to show you guys, this is a lot of stuff. So for this amount of stuff, and look at this pile. It's like just piled up in my sink, taking up a lot of room. And then I've got some stuff over here too. So yeah, I mean, guys, this is a lot of stuff for that amount of money. I mean, what do you think? Let me know. Is this worth what I paid? Is it worth the amount before the $30 credit, the 70? something, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, if you want to give Misfits a try, there's a link in the description where you can save off your first order. So just go in the description, click through that link, and sign up. You can always cancel if you don't like it. You're not committed. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've been able to customize your order. If so, do you like it better? Did you prefer it before? And have you tried the meat? What do you think of it? Leave me comments. Let me know about all of that. And everyone is always asking me what I do with all the vegetables. So I put together a free cookbook for you, a plant-based cookbook. It's right on my website, aimeericca.com/freebies. You can get your free copy there. There's lots of other free stuff on that page too. You can get as many of those things as you'd like as my gift to you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you think someone else could benefit from it, share it with them and share it with your friends on social media too. And remember, I post at least 3 videos a week. At least one of them, sometimes more, is an unboxing. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.